Hi, my name is Lane Beach, and my presentation is over prenatal development and birth. Prenatal development is the process in which a baby develops from a single cell into an embryo and then a fetus. The average length of development is about 38 weeks. The germinal stage is the first stage in pregnancy, which occurs when the female egg is fertilized by the male sperm. It can take up to 10 hours for the semen to reach the egg. The egg chooses the semen to make the best baby. Implantation occurs approximately 6 days after conception. In this picture, you can see the egg navigating its way through the fallopian tube. Our next stage is the embryonic stage, which begins after implantation and lasts 8 weeks after conception. In weeks 3 through 8, the amniotic sac is formed with the placenta and the umbilical cord. In week 3, the fetus develops the brain, heart, blood cells, circulatory system, spinal cord, and the digestive system. In weeks 4, the development of bones, some facial structures, and limbs began to form. The heart begins to beat, and the nervous tissue begins to develop. In week 5, the development of the eyes, nose, kidneys, lungs. The heart also continues to develop, which now has vessels. The brain, nervous tissue, and digestive tract continue to develop. In week 6, hands, feet, and digits, which are also known as our fingers, the brain, heart, and circulatory system develop. In week 7, hair follicles, nipples, eyelids, sex organs develop, along with the first formation of urine in the kidneys, and the first evidence of brain waves occur. In week 8, facial features are more distinct, internal organs are well developed, and the brain can signal for the muscles to move. External organs begin to form. The fetal stage has the most things going on during weeks 9 through 38. In weeks 9 through 12, the fetus reaches approximately 3.2 inches in length, and the head is approximately half the size of the fetus. External features such as the face, neck, eyelids, limbs, fingers, and genitals are well formed. The beginnings of teeth begin to appear. The red blood cells begin to produce in the liver, and the fetus is able to make a fist. In weeks 13 through 15, the fetus reaches approximately 6 inches in length. Fine hair, called lanigo, first develops on the head. Structures such as lungs, sweat glands, muscles, and bones continue to develop. The fetus is able to swallow and make sucking motions. Weeks 16 through 20, the fetus reaches approximately 8 inches in length. The lanigo begins to cover all the skin surfaces, and fat begins to develop under the skin. Features such as fingernails and toenails, eyebrows, and eyelashes appear. The fetus becomes more active, and the mother can sometimes begin to feel the fetal movement at this stage. Also, at week 20 is when you're more likely to be able to tell the gender of the baby with an ultrasound. In weeks 21 through 24, the fetus is approximately 11.2 inches in length and weighs approximately 1 pound and 10 ounces. The hair grows longer on the head, and the eyebrows and eyelashes finish forming. The lungs continue to develop, and form air sacs. The eyes have finished developing. In weeks 25 through 28, the fetus is approximately 15 inches in length and weighs approximately 2 pounds and 11 ounces. The next few weeks mark a period of rapid brain and nervous system development. The fetus gains greater control over movements such as opening and closing eyelids and certain body functions. The lungs have developed sufficiently that air breathing is possible. In weeks 29 through 32, the fetus reaches approximately 15 to 17 inches in length and weighs approximately 4 pounds and 6 ounces. Fat deposits become more pronounced under the skin. The lungs remain immature, but breathing movements begin. The fetus's bones are developed but not yet hardened. Weeks 33 through 36, the fetus reaches approximately 16 to 19 inches in length and weighs about 5 pounds 12 ounces to 6 pounds 12 ounces. Body fat continues to increase. Lanigo begins to disappear and fingernails are fully grown. The fetus has gained a high degree of control over body functions. Weeks 36 through 38, the fetus reaches anywhere from 19 to 21 inches. The length is considered to be full-time at the end of this period. Lanigo has mostly disappeared and is replaced with thicker hair on the head. Fingernails have grown past the tips of the fingers. In a healthy fetus, all organ systems are functioning. Some facts that I would like to share with you are scientists say that the effort for newborn babies' first breath takes the same effort for us to blow up a balloon. A newborn baby girl will have more than 1 million eggs when she is born. In her adolescent age, she will only have about 300,000, and when she reaches the age of 30, she will only have about 30,000 left. Also, women who don't take prenatal care or don't start until the second or third trimester are more likely to have another baby within 18 months. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thanks.